Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Jenny Live Life. Today I will show you another destination, very unique destination in Qatar. Let's enjoy.
Qatar National Day is coming, so here preparation already started. 18th December is Qatar National Day. Before 1 month, you can see everywhere Qatar's king's picture and national flags in the roof of house, office, mall, everywhere for showing respect to their country. Today I am going to show and describe about so many things available in Qatar. Now we have entered in industrial area where so many industries are here like Qatar Petroleum, gas, steel plants, but exactly I don't know which industries these are. What you are looking in this video. Real natural views finally came. You can see everywhere, you can see sand mountains. Here these are called sand dunes. If you want to go for a long drive, and definitely these places are very unique to refresh your minds. If you are interested to go for a desert safari, camel riding, quad biking, sand boarding and inland sea tour, you have to do prior booking online for 4 hours or 5 hours. Now you are going to see the tents under the sky in desert. You have to book prior to enjoy the desert night and with barbecue. can see here so many camels. Tourists are too much enjoying here.
I saw the baby camel.
Many food trucks are available. You can get pizza, burger, french fries, sandwiches, juices, masala tea and coffee, everything. You just give order and enjoy your foods inside the car, or you can take to sea beach. These white colors looking like small soaps, you are thinking, but actually these are not soaps. These are, you have to take rent for how many hours, or you can take to spend the day and night in any season. Inside everything available like toilet to bedroom with AC. Only you have to just spend money, enjoy the desert without having any problem. Now I am doing zoom in my camera. You will see one Land Cruiser, a big vehicle, is going with very much speed. I already mentioned about desert safari. Desert safari you have to enjoy exhilarating as an adventure in the desert. Professional team of desert drivers take you for enjoying the adventures, riding with variety of stunts over sand mountains, carrying the passengers. It's a very scary, but definitely you will enjoy this riding. I have also already enjoyed too much in the Dubai Desert Safari. Now we are going to a resort that's a very famous resort, a Murwab resort. Before going to this resort, we have to do security checkup with iCard and also Ethraj app in mobile for COVID. Very unique view you have to see inside the resort, where swimming pool and the sea beach both are side by side, and very scenic beauty of palm trees and also very crystal clear in the sea beach. This resort is very neat and clean. If you want to take your memorable leisure time, definitely you have to spend time here. Just wait, I will show you definitely what I have mentioned before. You can listen how birds are chirping, or you can say singing. Finally, our most wanted destination cave. Now you enjoy. Me and my son both are enjoying the birds playing. They are enjoying the swimming pool. Me and my son both don't know swimming, so as usual I am always taking picture, but this time I am doing video to show you. My son is playing with water gun. Here two swimming pools are available in each side. Here we are using one pool and another pool is in little distance from this pool. Now I am moving my camera to show the full view of this resort and also what is available inside. Going towards sea beach and you can see sitting spaces are available. There people are having bath in sea beach and also some are sitting and enjoying the view. Wow, here free sleeping area also, bed and pillow. Wait, I will show you vividly. Amazing. I can't believe really our trip is very comfortable. So I never want to miss my photography. So you can see another pool is this side. I am returning to pool to see what my son is doing. Now I can see he is playing alone. I am going to buy swimming tube and some swimming accessories also, so my son will also able to enjoy with his daddy. Finally I have bought everything. A soap is here near the swimming pool. Everything are available inside the soap for swimming. Finally he did something. Next time when I will come here again, I will also buy for me some accessories and definitely I will try for swimming. Now it's evening time view. You can see sunsets. Now we are going back. You can see night view in the resort. I hope today you enjoyed a lot with me. If you are a tourist in Qatar, never forget to visit this place.
If you have not subscribed yet my channel, please subscribe now. Please like, share. Bye bye.